Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are trying on the new Lululemon VITAPINK collection. I tried on every single piece of VITAPINK that was available in the store, which means that some of the sizes were actually sold out, but I tried something close to my size, so at least I could get a sense for what size I really do need. I do think that Lululemon sizes vary a lot. So usually I wear a size 6 in their leggings and a size 4 in their tops. However, as you'll see, I do have a variety of sizes from a 0 all the way up to an 8, and they're not all that bad. So do pay attention to the sizes if you are interested in any of these items. And of course, keep in mind that most of these pieces are part of the Lulu core collection, so you can get them in pretty much any color under the sun. So if you do like any of these styles, they absolutely come in the staples, whites, blacks, tans, dark browns, as well as a lot of other fun colors, especially now that we're headed into the summer months. Now, I do have a few favorites. I am so curious to hear what your favorites are, so be sure to drop me a comment in the comments below and let me know if you have any of these items, if you like them, or if you have any and you don't like them. Now, I did try on some things that I never thought I would try on, like a Lululemon tube top, as well as a lot of staples like the Define jacket, as well as the full-length dance joggers, and let me tell you, I absolutely loved them. That is a sneak peek, but things that I thought I would never like, I loved, and things that I thought that I would love, I wasn't a huge fan of. So let's go ahead and kick it off with our first two items. So first we have the Nulu crew neck cropped t-shirt. I tried in a size small and it retails for $58. Now, first I was pretty surprised about this t-shirt. I thought it was really tight. I'm usually an XS or an S, and I thought that the S was definitely a very fitted top. I would definitely suggest sizing up if you don't like things to be this fitted. I also tried on the Softstreme HR short in the 4 inches style. This was a size 6 and $78. These felt well, if not a little big. So if you like shorts on the smaller size, be sure to size down. This second top that I tried was the Align waist length racerback. It was a size 4 and retails $58. I did not like this one. I thought it was way too tight. Next up, I tried the Nulu Define jacket in a size 4. This retails for $118, and I know that my size is a size 6, so it was definitely a little snug. And here we have the Nulu tube top in size medium, which is $48. This was probably my size, which is interesting because I'm never an M in this brand, so definitely size up. This next one here is the Ebb to Street tank in a size 6, and it's $68. I wasn't a big fan of this color. I actually felt like the rib material made it look a little dull. Now we're getting into my favorites. This was the Align T-strap tank in a size 4, and it's $68. I absolutely loved this tank. At first, I did not like it because I didn't adjust the single strap in the back. Let me tell you, that piece is critical. I felt the size 4 was nice, but I could also go for a size 6 and have a little more room. Now, my favorite item of the day was the Dance Studio Relaxed Fit MR cargo pants, which I tried in a size small. These are $128. And here you can see a size comparison of me wearing an S and my friend wearing an L. She also rocked the T-strap top in a size 12, and I just love both of these pieces for both of us. Next, we are on to the Hottie Hot shorts in 2.5 inches, and they are lined. This I tried in a size 8, and they were $68. I could have sized down, but I actually enjoyed the extra room in the 8. Now for my next favorite item, I loved this Varsity HR pleated tennis skirt. I tried a size 4, and it is $88. I definitely could have went up to a size 6, and the shorts underneath would have felt a little bit more breathable. If I had to say anything at all, it would just be that they were a little too constricting on the size 4. Now I also tried this skirt on with the Bend This Scoop and Cross Bra in the size SM, and it is $48. Now I really liked these two paired together, but the top was a little large, so I definitely would have wanted to size down. Now the next one that we have is the Love Tank. This one I tried on in a size 0, and it is $38. Now you're starting to see a little trend with the sizes here. This was a 0. It fit a little big, if not perfect. Other tops that I've tried on in an 4 or a 6 or an M were tight, so really all of these sizes are very subjective. Last but not least, I tried the Sculpt short sleeve t-shirt in a size 4, and it's $68. Overall, we are back to a little bit of an oversized fit. I definitely could have sized down, but I also liked this fit. And there you have it. That is the entire VITAPINK collection at my local Lululemon store. Be sure to leave an emoji in the comments. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.